Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by importing the audio directly into a new Garageband project. Drag the file onto an audio track and position it. Once done, enable flex time for that track so you can change tempo without pitch artifacts. Make sure the tempo ruler matches the clip by setting the project BPM to the track's original BPM. This aligns grid and transient markers. You'll hear the metronome and see transients. Use them to confirm beats, because accurate alignment prevents timing drift later. Now you change tempo. Open the tempo track and enter your target BPM or add tempo points for ramps. You can drag segments to speed up or slow down. When you need precision, use the flex time editor to nudge transients and quantize beats. Make sure each audio region is set to follow project tempo if you want automatic stretching. Also check smart controls. Some plugins react poorly to time changes, so adjust format or preserve pitch options to keep tone natural. To finish, listen through the whole track and export at the correct sample rate and bit depth. Use file bounce or share export song to disk. If you hear artifacts, zoom into problem regions, adjust transient markers with flex time or split and reposition regions, then rebounce. One key troubleshooting tip. If tempo changes cause warbling, disable pitch correction plugins and reapply after stretching, or export a tempo-mapped WAV and re-import it. That isolates plugins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.